Hi everyone, I'm Latoya and this is Script Talk. Today I'll be reading a passage from Exodus chapter 23 verses 1 through 3, and it reads, Thou shalt not raise a false report. Put not thine hand with the wicked to be an unrighteous witness. Thou shalt not follow a multitude to do evil, neither shalt thou speak in a cause to decline after many to wrest judgment. Neither shalt thou countenance a poor man in his cause. So I'm going to break this down just a little bit for you. Thou shalt not raise a false report, meaning that you shouldn't file false reports against anyone. Basically gossiping and all of that too. Spreading around false judgment of people. Put not thine hand with the wicked to be an unrighteous witness. That means basically you shouldn't change your opinion of someone or do evil against someone because someone else wants to do that. You shouldn't join the in crowd. Have a mind of your own. Thou shalt not follow the multitude to do evil, neither shalt thou speak in a cause to decline after many to wrest judgment. Basically the same thing. You shouldn't judge others just because what someone else is doing. Neither shalt thou countenance a poor man in his cause. Meaning that you shouldn't change your opinion of someone because they're not favorable or they're poor. You should treat others how you want to be treated. So I want all you guys out there to subscribe to my page, and I want you to comment with all your opinions. I look forward to hearing from you. And as always, have a good day. Don't forget to pray.